Let us examine one more method of parallel parking. This method is useful in parking into the non-standard size spaces. In many countries, you meet the following exercise in the driving test. There is a car parked at the edge of the road. You have to imagine that another car is parked behind it, and you have to park between the real car and the imaginary one. In this case, you should end up parallel parking at a distance not exceeding 2 lengths of your car parked in front. Let's see the whole process from beginning to end. You pass by a parking space and stop parallel to the car parked in front of it. Now, direct the right side mirror downward. The first step. Start to move and turn the steering wheel to the right when you see the back end of the adjacent car and the small triangular window. The second step. When you begin to see the curb in the middle of your right side mirror, put the steering wheel in the straight forward position. The third step. When the side mirror covers the corner of the front car, you turn the steering wheel to the left, and then you put your car parallel to the curb. For this purpose, it is convenient to use the side mirror. Once you are parallel to the curb, immediately put the steering wheel into a straight forward position. If necessary, you can now move forward or backward, putting your car in the middle of the parking space, and finish the parking maneuver.